welcome to my kitchen. I live in Santa Ana and I just completed a remodel with Horizon Remodeling and Construction. And I have to say all the workers were really great to work with, and they were clean, they were kind and professional, and their work was absolutely gorgeous. And you can see by the look of my new kitchen just how great it is.
Oh, it is beautiful. You have to see that. It's so special. This pink color. I will do a close-up. Look how pretty it is. And the bench. It's all custom made. And it's going all around, two tones. We have here a beautiful pantry. And even a guest bathroom. We'll open the door. Look how cute it is.